On the hole over there.
So we were pushing it inside, I thought.
Eh?
I thought we were pushing it inside.
This is the jump fuel.
Oh.
Yeah, that's the hole. That one needs to be jumped, but
Which one's the alternator one?
it's the X5. But wait for Ben to bring the Mercedes in. And you say you don't need a lift, so.
I don't think so.
I don't even know where all the fucking screws go anymore. Okay, so today we're gonna work on this, well actually I started last night, on this 12 Mini Cooper that had a issue with the turbo. So basically the turbo went out and then it just kept smoking and smoking and smoking. So this is a used turbo with low mileage, it's really good, that I installed last night. And also we're gonna change the valve cover. We did a BG performance flush, which has the EPR in it. It's really good stuff. And bad smell. I mean, it smells really bad. I can still smell it, but it's really good stuff. So, but overall, this car should be not smoking anymore. As you can see here on the oxygen sensor, I mean, it's cooked, like caked with oil. I'm almost done putting it together. All I have to do now is just put the front clip and then the valve cover, fluids, and then probably going to let it sit outside for a while because it's going to smoke. It's going to smoke for quite a bit. So. Yo!
They say they changed the suspension on here?
In one side they did.
I've never seen that before. God, he must have fucking whacked that mother.
Yeah. It bent the out of it. Did you hit something else? I mean, on the same side? Why you guys keep hitting the same side over and over? Well, somebody did, because it's bent. After you fixed it, we aligned it and everything was perfect. So whoever drove it last bent it again, or hit something, you know? And there is fresh marks on the rim where it's been hit, so. I will show you when you get here. I'll have him keep it on the lift. Hey, Rich. Keep it on the lift because it's coming. He said last one who drove it was his wife. Yeah, he's like, I was in LA, so. He's bringing whatever shit he has because he bought so many suspension parts, you know? Oh, okay. Yeah. Hey, Cody, have you gotten any spam calls yet? I don't know, India? You know what to tell them, right? I'm coming for you. I'm going to burn you down. Work for CIA. You got to watch that movie. It's really good. The Beekeeper. Yeah, I'm gonna have to order that sensor.
Will the AC compressor kick on or not?
No, it's not. It's gonna shut it down. It has a fold for it.
Yeah.
They just fail.
Well, I'll leave you to it then, mate. Yeah, I was just coming by to say hi and
Yeah,
check on it,
absolutely.
basically. So, again, no rush really.
No,
Yeah.
we'll get one coming.
It's a third fun car.
Nice. Nice. Thank you. We'll see ya. Oh, that's the sensor? It's somewhere in here.
Yeah, it's right here.
And it's old. And there's the freon leaked out. Right? Shouldn't.
No, because it held a vacuum. I mean, yeah, I can check it real quick and see.
I'm gonna go back to the Mini. Vinny, it's 1 o'clock. It's lunchtime somewhere. Not bad. This goes there, this goes. So pretty much I'm done with this. All I have is the headlights and put coolant, and we're gonna drive it straight outside because it's gonna smoke. So basically we changed the turbo with a used part, very low mileage, because it was burning so much oil. We took the original one apart, and you can see it's pretty much totally worn down. So I'm gonna try to drive it outside as fast as I can because it's gonna smoke really bad because the catalytic converter is like soaked from the oil that it was leaking, because it was leaking for a while. But yeah, it needs to be sitting outside. It's gonna take a while for all that oil to burn. I guess I'm gonna let it sit here for a while. It's not as bad as I thought, but we'll see once we drive it.
Oh, what the hell?
How did you do it?
I just pushed the button.
Press it again.
Because when you shut it, it shuts. It sounds kind of hard, but I don't know. If
Well, see, it's not initialized.
yeah, it goes down a little faster than that, I think.
Well, this one is slams.
Yeah. I think it.
No, it shouldn't work on the inside. We can try programming the module, but I mean, I saw it, yeah, you did it right. On the last car we worked on was the Mini Cooper with the turbo issue. That is beautiful, fixed. It took a very long time for the oil to pretty much burn completely, but it's done. We had another one with the same issue we just finished yesterday, and thanks to John Ross at What JR Go, he brought us a really good turbo. Thank you, John Ross. We did the same thing. That one took forever to clear too, but it's nice and clean. So yeah, it was kind of weird, two Mini Coopers having the same issue. So today we are gonna work on this 11 X5. It's got two small coolant leaks. One is the reservoir and one is the heater control valve. So that's pretty much very easy to do. So I'm gonna jump right on it. I'm just gonna pull the reservoir out first. It's held by only two 10 millimeters. Wish they made this hose a little bit longer. It would be so much easier. Never mind. Never mind. Never mind. We just changed this engine not too long ago. So the car I just pulled out kind of scared me a little bit because about a month ago we changed the engine with a used one because it was knocking really bad. And then he calls, he's like, the engine started knocking again. I'm like, now what? I mean, what the hell? Brought it in. As soon as I looked under the hood, the compressor is doing this. AC compressor, so. Yeah. Thank God it wasn't the engine. Man, somehow the C-clip wouldn't even... I was having a hard time like pulling it back, so I don't know why, but with some persuasion. Got it. Now it will be so much easier to do the reservoir without having anything on the way. It's weird because I had to do the same exact thing on my own car not too long ago. So I guess once you reach 120,000 miles, this happens. The problem with these valves are, I mean, look how bad this one was leaking for a while. The problem with those are that if it's stuck closed, then you will not get any heat during the winter. And if it's stuck open, then your air conditioner it's not going to be as cold as like we did one the day before. It was leaking really bad too, and then they were complaining that the driver's side vent AC is not cooling as hard, but once we changed the valve, and then AC worked great. So a simple valve like this mess up either your heat or your air conditioner. And just like that, this car is done. I'm gonna call my customer and let them know it's ready. And yes, that is Tyler's Bentley over there. The one has been here forever with the airbag issue. So we ordered the airbag from Bentley dealership, came from London, and it's all back together. But Tyler doesn't know it's all back together, so don't tell him. Yeah. So, but this is it. So I'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.